Good morning, lead learners and Old Kentucky Home Wildcats. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for Dress for Success check. The only thing that should not be in Dress for Success code today is the shirt, and that should be the color of the faction in which the student is, which should mean everybody in your room has on the same color, or they are in regular Dress for Success wear. As you finish that up, please be seated and continue to track me as I speak. Good morning, OKH. Happy Friday, March 30th, 2018. This is me, Miss Case, with your morning announcements. Today's Wildcatitudes go out to Lucas Boone. I always appreciate all your hard work and loyalty to yourself and your class. You're a great example for all of your peers, and that's from Miss Eris. To Gabe Luckett. We really do value your smile and cheer. You are determined to never let a bad day go by without smiling and changing it for everyone. That's for Mr. Price. Also to Aiden Shelton, your effectiveness on the MAP test is amazing. Way to go. Growing over 20 points this year. You rock, and that is from Miss Sanders. I have some other announcements that I'll talk about in just a moment, but before then, we have some birthdays today. Happy birthday to the following Wildcats: Alexis Cecil, Austin Kurtzinger, and 7th grade Ashton Rogers. Happy birthday over all of spring break to Logan Gosser, Olivia Perry, Alex, Jenna, and Claire Dossett, Marley Ellis, Trey Lawson, Dorothy DeMott, Gabe Johnson, also to Miss Montgomery and Mr. King. So, that's the first part of the announcements. The next part, obviously, is that today is Achievement Rally Day. So we are having our Divergent Achievement Rally, and we are also going to be making some changes to our end of day the way we end our day. So I want to share that with you now, and then we'll be speaking about this again before it's time to leave today. So if you will notice on the screen, at the end of the day, we're going to go back to our dismissal groups, and you're going to have gone to your locker and prepared to leave for the day before you go to the rally. Now, students, you'll be going back to your dismissal rooms with the exception of those who are parent pickup and walkers. You guys are going to be dismissed straight from the rally to parent pickup and to walk. So you need to bring your belongings to the rally with you, because you are not going to be going back to your dismissal rooms. You're going to go straight to the parent pickup area right after the rally. So only students who are parent pickup and walkers take your things to the rally with you. Those students who are first and second run bus riders, you are going to, after the rally, go back to your dismissal rooms. So you need to leave your things in the dismissal room. Do not take them with you. They're just going to be in the way and be a burden to yourself and to people around you. You are reporting back to your dismissal rooms, so leave your things there if you're first and second run bus riders. You're not going to be dismissing 2 buses from the cafeteria. You're going to be dismissing straight from your dismissal rooms today. So first run, whenever you're dismissed, you are going to not walk toward the front of the building. You're going to walk toward the back of the building and go out the exit that's down by Miss Watson and Miss Robinson's room down by the Frisky. You're going to be going out those doors today to catch your buses. So no one's going to be using the front doors. The same scenario is true of second run. The teachers have been informed how second run will be dismissed. So students, you're not going to hear announcements and such. Your teachers have worked out, they have this all worked out for you guys. But do know that when you leave, you're leaving from your dismissal rooms, and that you are going to be walking to the opposite end of the building as the cafeteria, because you're going to be exiting out of the doors by the Frisky, Miss Robinson's room, Miss Watson's room, that exit. And finally, as always, whenever we are having fun with an achievement rally, and our purpose is to celebrate loyalty, effectiveness, achievement, determination, and to celebrate those students who exude those things, and to play games and just celebrate, period. It's a time for fun, but in order to have fun, you have to make sure that you're being loyal throughout the school day. So, as always, if you receive more than one win-win form throughout the day, you will not be able to attend the rally. So teachers were asking that if you will, please send your win-win forms to the office after each class period so we can keep a tally if a student has received more than one throughout the day. Also, students, if you refuse to fill out the win-win form, well, that's going to be reported through Infinite Campus. You know, as always, refusing to do that equals a Saturday school. You will not be going to the rally. If you have behaviors that are just extremely disloyal, and an Infinite Campus referral is made by your teacher, that would also exclude you from the rally. So we want to celebrate. We want to have fun. We want to participate in these games and scream and holler and listen to music, etc. But you have to be loyal to your teachers, to your peers, to our school throughout the day before we can do that. So we don't want anybody to not be able to go. We want every single one of you guys to be able to participate this afternoon. So with that said, this concludes our morning announcements. Remember to be loyal to yourself, to each other, and to our school. Go Wildcats!